Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today is September 6th. Now it's 5 minutes to 7 p.m. The air temperature today is 27 degrees Celsius and the sea temperature is 1 below, so 26. Here you can see the Delphinarium, and here is the Marriott Hotel, which will be open, I guess, next summer for customers. Now it's under construction. Here is Hilton, and we are in the Central Park, and here is also a big lake. Let's walk from this lake, this park area, to the Central Old Town part with the fountains and beautifully looking buildings. Of course, they are newly built, but looks old and kind of Gothic. This is the park where people used to rest and watch and fishing sometimes, but this is not the best place for sunset, because sunset is covered behind the buildings. You may see how cloudy it is. So this week, so half of the day, especially mornings, are the sun, and closer to the evening it's often rains. So today I guess it also will be raining, but I think maybe it will start in 2 hours, so we have some time before it gets wet everywhere. So today is Friday. People are preparing to have a great weekdays. It's not so crowded during the day. If you go here a bit earlier. This is the favorite place for mommies to walk and play with their children. People are fishing here. I wouldn't eat that fish from this lake because it looks very dirty. Of course, there are no smell, but it looks not so clean. So make sure if you plan to fish in here. Okay, we're going to the main entrance to the park. So I came here from the opposite part, from the Orbeez, and you will see the entrance of this park, and then if you go straight you will come to the European Square, so the place where we go now. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel not to miss the further videos. Here is the main entrance. It looks nice. This entrance is just the opposite this huge cute building, so you won't miss it. So this is a famous place where people like locals buy coffees. I haven't bought any coffees here. Here is like the area where you can buy coffee and take a seat. This place is very good. It's called Pinch Coffee. Look how beautiful this building is. So here starts the Old Town area, and you may see it. So the main place to walk for locals and tourists are the beach seafront, the park area that I showed you, and this road towards the European Square, then Italian Piazza, and to the Batumi kissing couple monument. This street is Abashidze M, probably Mehmet Abashidze. Don't mess up with General Abashidze. So General Abashidze, this is not this street. This street is Mehmet Abashidze. There's like a big confusion, especially when you rent in an apartment, because some people say it's on Abashidze and you will probably think it's in the city center, but it's not. This street, General Abashidze, is a little bit behind the Orbi Towers, so quite far from here. Here in the center, a lot of casinos. Who knows, maybe a lot of tourists like to play casinos. I don't know much people there though. If you like cinema, you can visit the Grand Mall. It's the biggest mall here and the modern. The cinema just opened there like probably a month ago. So you won't have any other option rather than that cinema. I mean the good ones. Here you may see the first casino. Looks like the private house. It's not that big as other ones, but very beautiful. Casino Mandarin. And you may see in the front there are beautiful buildings here. It's new one. Another casino. And we are almost done to the Central European Square. It's not as big as you may think, but there is a McDonald's and KFC there, so just like a little place of interest in the old town. One artist sells the pictures here. If you like souvenirs, you can also buy it almost everywhere. This statue holds the golden ship in her hand. Looks creepy. Look how beautiful these buildings are. The mix of modern art and old buildings. Probably they think that season is over and they turned off the fountains. Usually they work, but I haven't seen there like any fountains in the city at all last week. Small part of Europe in Batumi.
Georgian of love.
So this is the tower with lunar clock. It's over there. And you may see the legend, how interpret.
Buradan yine dönecek, fotoğraf çeker, dönerken de burada fotoğraf çekebilirsin.
Ne güzel yapmışlar. Bence saatlerde böyle yaptılar. Aa,
So that's all for now. Stay tuned for the next videos. Please subscribe to this channel and hit like. Thank you for watching.